Hey everyone, Brian with Aero Teardrops, and in this video segment we're going to talk about the suspension system that we install on all of our Steel HC, and Burnside models. So this is an axle-less suspension from Timbren. On this trailer we have the 3,500 pound system. It has our optional 10-inch brakes. They're electric actuated, so if you choose this option on your trailer, you're going to need something on the vehicle side that will control an electric actuated brake. There's also some trailer mounted systems that you can explore as well, but most common is the vehicle mounted controller. We use a self-adjusting brake. So what's nice about those is you're not having to crawl underneath the trailer every season and adjust the brake shoes on here. It'll self-adjust. So basically the only maintenance item you're going to have on this is servicing the grease on the wheel bearings. And we install Easy Lube spindles on all of our suspension systems as well. There's also another grease fitting in the front of the Timbren system that'll need to be serviced every year too. And they recommend every year 12,000 miles, whichever comes first. And you know, we always kind of rule of thumb is service both things at the beginning of each camping season, no matter how many miles you have on your trailer. It's just a good rule to go by.